Hello, good morning friends. In the previous episodes, we have studied about fertilization, oviparity, viviparity. But there is something else also you have to learn, that is parthenogenesis. And in today's episode, we will study what is parthenogenesis and all about metamorphosis. Parthenogenesis is the growth and development of embryo or a seed without fertilization of the egg by the sperm. Parthenogenesis occurs naturally in some species of vertebrates, example, water fleas, aphids, honeybees, and parasitic wasps. In honeybees, the unfertilized egg develops into male and fertilized eggs develop into female. How can the same female produce both fertilized and unfertilized eggs? A female honeybee has a chamber or a sac-like structure called spermatheca associated with female reproductive system. The sperms deposited by the male during copulation are stored in spermatheca. As the ovum passes by the female genital tract, the sperms are released from the spermatheca, which can be closed or opened by the sphincter. If the ovum comes in contact with sperm, the ovum will be fertilized and will develop into female having diploid number of chromosomes. If the ovum does not come in contact with the sperm, it will develop into unfertilized egg that will give rise to a male having haploid number of chromosomes. But please don't get confused with the unfertilized egg that is produced by hen. The unfertilized egg that is produced by the hen is not viable. Young ones to adult. Eggs are hatched out after a particular period of time in oviparous animals. In some animals, the young ones or the larvae that hatch out of the egg may look very different from the adult. These hatched out larvae continue to grow, molt, that is shed their skin, and later metamorphosize into an adult. Tadpole larvae of a frog and caterpillar of moth or butterfly are common examples of such animals. Let us study the life cycle of frog. There are 3 different stages in the life cycle of a frog. Egg of a frog, which is formed in the water as they are oviparous animals, will give rise to a tadpole larva on hatching. The tadpole larva, in turn, will metamorphosize to become an adult frog. The features of the larva stage or tadpole are more similar to fish and are very much different from the adult. The tadpole larva has external gills which are not seen in fish. Similarly, the larva of silkworm or butterfly looks very different from the adult moth. Therefore, the larval stages of these animals undergo drastic changes in order to become an adult. Transformation of the larva into an adult through drastic morphological changes is called as metamorphosis, or is also referred to as progressive metamorphosis, as the larvae are representing their ancestors. The tadpole resembles the fish, whereas the caterpillar larva resembles to certain extent the annelids. In today's episode, we have learnt about the changes that take place during metamorphosis. Thank you.